Hello everyone, it's Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. Yesterday I went to the Dollar General, that's what we have in our town, and I was looking for frames for my son's getting married this weekend, and I'm doing the rehearsal dinner and I wanted some fun frames for some fun pictures. But anyways, I looked at their fall things and I found this super cute decoration. And I am going to change it up and make it Stampin' Up because I think it's really cool. But I wanted to show you how I'm going to do it. What I did was I used the pretty pumpkins and the detailed dies to create some things to add to the decoration. And so I've pre-colored them, I've pre-stamped them, pre-colored them, and pre-cut them so that I could do this really quickly and you could see how easy it is to make something Stampin' Up that you buy for pretty inexpensive at Dollar General. This is $3 for this. And then with a little paper and some stamping and some dies, you can really cuten it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this raffia off. And I'm going to add our ribbon. It's the black and white gingham ribbon. Super cute ribbon. And I'm just going to tie it in a bow on all of the pumpkins. I think I needed to cut it a little bit longer. So much for being prepared ahead of time. Let me cut some more. 3 more, in fact. It would be, if I wanted to just tie it in a bow and then put a glue dot on there, I could do that. But I like tying them actually around the stems. Well, my hands are shaking, and this is not going as planned, but it will. Bear with me. This ribbon is so cute. Perfect, and then I'll trim the tails. But I'm also going to add some linen thread. Cut a piece and I'm going to double it. And I'm actually going to go underneath this and not tie it around the stem of the pumpkin, but around the bow. I'm going to make it smaller, pull it smaller, and I'm going to trim my tails. I'm going to leave the linen thread longer because I really like that look. And I will do that to each of the pumpkins. But next I want to show you how I'm going to decorate the along the pumpkins. So I've pre-cut these, pre-stamped all of these pieces. And I have them in kind of order for my video. So let me show you how I'm going to put them on. First, I'm going to take this lacy pumpkin. I just think this pumpkin is so beautiful. And I'm going to add some dimensionals. But I'm going to add them where they're going to be covered by the other pumpkins that I've colored and cut, stamped, colored, and cut. Well, that one wasn't in the right spot. That's okay because it's going to be covered. And then I'm going to take this one that I've stamped and colored. I colored this with my Stampin' Blend markers. I used Cajun Craze and soft succulent. I used both the dark and the light. And so let me get rid of that. I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back of that. Oops, I didn't take that backing off. And then I have the cute little leaves that I'm just gonna put a dimensional right here on this pumpkin and add it over there. Next, this is super cute. I stamped it on thick, very vanilla cardstock, and I used the Cajun Craze ink. And I'm gonna just stamp it or attach it. Let's see, where do I wanna put the dimensionals on here. Maybe one right back here too. And then this really cute one. This is the soft succulent paper, and what I did was I added some texture to it with the bark embossing folder, and then I cut it out with the detailed pumpkin dies. It's this one. This is a great bundle. It's one I think I'll keep for a really long time, even if it retires, but I hope it doesn't retire. So I'm gonna add, let's see, I want it to sit. So I'm going to add a couple dimensionals on this little very vanilla pumpkin that's already pre-painted. I didn't get it in the right spot. So I'll put it on the back of this. I think that'll be easier. And you can see that it's not deep. It's too deep to attach right here, so I'm going to add a second layer of dimensionals. I do this often if the height doesn't work. There you go. And then I have a glue dot that I'm just gonna add right under there to hold it in place. And I have some more flowers and leaves that I'm gonna attach again with dimensionals. I've also pre-cut some leaves with the dies that I'm going to add underneath the ribbon with a glue dot. To kind of hide that glue that I didn't get cut off or taken off very well. We'll do better on this one. And I'm going to add the ribbon. Super cute ribbon. I just love this ribbon. I love this whole set, and I was so excited to see this at the Dollar General because we're spot on. Stampin' Up is spot on with colors. And I saw some cards created with these colors and this set. It was from one of our artisan team members. I can't remember her name, but I have it. I made a copy of it so I could be sure to give her credit. So I'll put it on my blog, scraphappensherewithdarla.com, so you can see. I also did a piece of framed art using the same bundle and same colors, and I'm gonna offer it as a class. I'll be showing that soon on my blog too. probably tomorrow. Just because fall is in the air. It's raining here. It's so nice. We still have fires going, but it's nice to have some rain and the smoke is going away. We'll trim those up. I'm going to add a leaf. And then one more thing of linen thread. Around this black and white gingham bow. I'm going to make it a little smaller. Okay. Okay, isn't that super cute? I can also add a couple leaves down here. Oh, I put the glue dot on the wrong side, darn it. Lift it up. And I thought it would be pretty kind of cute to add some leaves down here by the Be Thankful. Could add another pumpkin too if you wanted. And then I'm just gonna tie a little bow. I love linen thread. I use it in almost every project that I have. And add it. Isn't that cute? I just love it. I hope you can see it. I think you can. Yeah, I just love it. And I will put a still picture on my blog. Again, Scrap Happens here with Darla.com. I'll have lots more inspiration there, so be sure to stop by. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video today. I hope you'll give this a try. I'm really loving the projects that you can find to do that I've been doing with dollar store items. So I have a lot more to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any other videos. Follow me on my blog, on Facebook, and on Pinterest. Oh, and I'm on Instagram. Scrap Happens here with Darla. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you next week with Tuesday's tip.